Finally, the wait is over. The Union Budget 2025 is here and it has got something for everyone. The taxpayers, businessmen, startups, farmers and even for toy industry as well. But don't worry, you don't have to go through pages of budget document. I have got you covered with fun and easy breakdown. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the details. The India's financial roadmap for 2025. So in the budget, our finance minister started with something called Vikasit Bharat. The government is on a vision to no poverty, 100% education, healthcare for all, skilled laborers, and farmers making India the food basket of the world. Sounds like a dream? Well, let's see how they plan to achieve it. So this budget was a positive for agriculture and fisheries. They got many schemes which actually help the farmers and fishermen to carry their agricultural activities. The government of India has come up with five main plans to help the farmers and fisheries, which includes Prime Minister's Dhan-Dhaanya Krishi Yojana, which focuses on boosting the productivity in 100 districts. And second is Mission Aatmanirbharta in pulses, a 6-year plan to make self-sufficient in the production of dal. Because who doesn't love a good bowl of dal chawal? And third is a Makhana board in Bihar. Government is planning to set up a Makhana board to improve the productivity and improve the production and exports. And last is Fisheries and KCC credit boost, which would be giving a short-term loans to 7.7 crore for dairy farmers and the fisheries. So without worrying about money, they will be fishing for profits. So in short, if you are into agriculture, fishery or even Makana, this budget has got you covered. So this budget also gave an indication to MSME and startups that it's a time to go big. Government has increased their credit guarantee from 5 crore to 10 crore for MSMEs, 10 crore to 20 crore for startups. And MSMEs will also be getting a customized credit card which will have a overdraft facility of up to 5 lakh rupees. So now your Udyam card is as powerful as a corporate credit card. And also this budget focused on labor intensive sectors. By boosting toy industry, India aims to become the global hub for toys. And they also said that India is on a national manufacturing mission. More local production, less imports, and it's time to make in India more stronger. And they're also encouraging clean tech manufacturing because going green is not just good for the environment but also for the business. And the next area of focus was investing in people, making it a future ready Bharat. India plans to set up 5 national centers of excellence for skilling, and they will be providing global standard training for Indian youths because talent without training is like Ferrari without fuel. And government is planning to send 500 crore for AI education. With this, looks like India is entering into the league of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. And they are also planning to create 10,000 more medical seats, more doctors, fewer appointment delays, and good for the society. And now coming to a most important part of the budget, the tax reliefs, or was it a shock? This budget was more of a middle class friendly because they have given a big relief for the middle class taxpayers. The budget proposes to make it zero tax for income up to 12 lakhs. Though if you see the tax slab, it will say you have to pay a tax rate of 10%, but this exemption you can avail through a rebate available under section 87A. So if you are an individual earning income up to 12 lakh rupees, you don't have to pay any tax. However, if you are a salaried individual with a 75,000 standard deduction, you can earn an income up to 12.75 lakh without paying any tax. And this is a big relief, and government will be losing around 1.5 lakh crores because of this, but still government plans to go ahead with it and rewarding the middle class population of the country. And for senior citizens, the interest exemption has been increased from 50,000 to 1 lakh, and also TDS and rent has been increased from 2,50,000 to 6 lakh. So you don't have to deduct any TDS if you are paying a rent up to 6 lakh rupees per annum. So if you look into new tax slabs from 0 to 4 lakh, it is 0%. Earlier it was up 0 to 3 lakh. Now it has been increased by a lakh. So now it is 0 to 4 lakh. Zero tax, and 4 to 8 lakh it will be 5% tax, and 8 to 12 lakh it will be 10% tax, and 12 to 16 lakh will be 15%, and 16 lakhs to 20 lakh will be 20%, and 20 to 24 lakh will be 25%, and above 24 lakh it will be 30%. Looks like taxpayers got a budget bonus. Less tax, more savings. This in turn will be boosting FMCG industry and motor vehicle industry because the more the money left with people, people tend to spend it. So you can see FMCG stocks rising up. And moving to investments and economy, government is planning to distribute 1.5 lakh crore interest-free loans to states for improving infrastructure, better roads, and smoother traffic. And it has also set aside 1 lakh crore as urban challenge fund for revamping cities, making them smarter. And even Jal Jeevan mission is also extended until 2028 because water is life and every house in the country should have water. So this shows that government is spending huge on infrastructure, more infrastructure spending, more jobs, better living, and it's like giving the economy a protein shake. And moving to manufacturing and exports, life-saving drugs, lithium-ion battery waste, and critical minerals are made tax-free. And they're also planning to set up a new trade portal, Bharat TradeNet. It will be a one-stop shop for all the exports and it's time to take vocal for local global. So if we conclude budget for 2025, it was more of a tax relief for middle class, better infrastructure and higher rural spending, big push for MSME startups, agriculture and digital trade, and also encouraging manufacturing and local trade and skilling India for the future. However, we did not see any major announcements related to stock market and no such relief related to fuel prices. So still no clarity on those things. Overall, this budget was bold, growth focused, and futuristic. But as always, devil is in the details. What do you think? Good budget or missed opportunities? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Smart Seed Investments. I'll bring you more such financial insights and see you in the next one.